3-column note-taking for math. Struggling to keep your math notes organized? Column notes are a great way to organize your math notes and learn concepts by clearly outlining the steps to solve formulas. This method makes it easy to review and remember how to tackle different problems. To get started with the 3-column method, grab a piece of paper and divide it into 3 sections. Label the first column concept or topic. This is where you'll write down the theory or principle that you're covering. Label the second column example or problem. This is where you'll record your equations and the steps you take to solve it. Label the third column explanation or notes. This is where you'll explain each step to solve the equation in your own words. This helps reinforce your understanding. During class, this structure will help you write your notes in a way that will be easy to refer to later. For example, today in class we're learning about BEDMAS. We'll begin by writing the name of this concept in the first column. The equation our instructor gave us will be written in the second example column. In this case, 2 to the power of 4 plus 77 divided by 7 minus 2 bracket 5 times 3 bracket. The steps to solving this equation, according to BEDMAS concept, will be written in the explanation column in your own words. Step 1 is brackets. First, solve 5 times 3 to get 15. Then, go back to the example column and replace the brackets in the equation with the solved value, 15. Step 2 is exponents. We'll solve 2 to the power of 4 to get 16. Then replace the exponents in the equation with the solved value, 16. We'll continue this method with the rest of the BEDMAS steps until we're left with the final solution to the equation. If there are any parts of the lesson that you find confusing, mark them in your notes with a star or question mark and update them as you review and understand concepts better. For more complicated concepts, try color-coding each step to easily connect the examples to the explanations and help emphasize the difference between the steps. As you study, you'll be able to fill in the gaps and rework your notes with concepts from the textbook or course readings. Eventually, you'll have a detailed guide, in your own words, to refer back to when studying or working through similar problems. Over time, this method can improve your problem-solving skills and boost your confidence in math. Give it a try and see how much easier math can be with column notes.